Do you know the difference between a boy and a girl? What about animals? Can you tell them apart? Let's learn together. A boy is called male. A girl is called female. This is how we tell the difference. When they grow up, boys become men, and girls become women. Simple and easy to remember. Animals also have male and female names, just like people do. Let's explore some examples. A male lion is called a lion. A female lion is called a lioness. Look at the big mane on the male. A female is called a cow. A male is called a bull. They live on farms. A male horse is called a stallion. A female horse is a mare. They are strong and fast. A male chicken is a rooster. A female chicken is a hen. They wake us up in the morning. Now let's try a quick question. Is a boy male or female? The answer is male. Look carefully at this animal. Is this a lion or a lioness? The answer is
Lion.
Let's test your knowledge again. Is this a rooster or a hen? Hen. Here comes another question. Is this a cow or a bull? The answer is cow. Ready for one more challenge? Is this a stallion or a mare? The answer is mare. Great job learning today. Tell me your favorite animal below. And don't forget to follow for more fun.